It is finally time to get back to patio pimping at the Malone compound, man. It feels so good to be back outside. Of course, you see I got the cigar. My dog back there probably eating acorns again. Life is good on a Friday, man. Also got Invincible on the new smart TV I just purchased last week. And we chilling, man. We are chilling. Life is good. This is why we work so hard. We do what we got to do to make sure that we live the lifestyle that we want. When you put yourself in the best position possible, you dictate the terms. Nobody else does. Only you. All right? I'm going to enjoy my Friday evening.